4-station hose testing machine up to 650 bar. This is the drain valve to drain the pressure. This is the pressure regulator. Now I am reducing the pressure. This is a hydraulic operated pump. We'll start the power pack. Hydraulic on, hydraulic off, hydraulic on. We'll start the pressure pump. As we can see here, pump discharge is going on. This is the timer, and this is our digital pressure gauge. Okay. When we'll close the drain valve, particular time the pressure will rise. As we can see, now the set pressure is 220 bar. If we want, as we can see the same in digital, it's near about 220. If we want to increase the pressure, we'll just rotate the knob to, if we want to test for 300, we'll just keep on rotating it till it reaches 300. Now the pressure is set for 300. Okay, number of times will drain the job. Again we'll close the drain end, and we will see again the pressure will reach to 300 bar. Once the regulator is set, it will always reach the required pressure. We'll off the pump, close the door, and we can monitor for leakages. For reference purpose, we have added 2 gauges, but in actual you will have here the digital gauge. As we can see, the pressure is stable, so we can say that there isn't any leakage in our pipes. Once our testing is done, we'll just open the drain end. It will release the pressure. We'll open the door. The lever is given here for door open close. Okay, we'll remove the hoses and we'll put another set. Now we'll just test it at 600 bar. Okay, I'll just start the pump, I'll close the drain end, and I'll keep on increasing the pressure till it reaches 600 bar. First we'll see the initial pressure. Now we'll keep on rotating the knob. As you can see, I am rotating the knob. We'll keep on rotating it till it reaches 600. We are near about 600. As we can see here, it's showing 600. Similarly, it's showing 600. Once our pressure is reached, we'll off the pump and we'll close the door and we'll monitor for leakages. We can see now it's 594. Actually it takes some 10 to 15 seconds to stabilize the pressure. While stabilizing, it will drop a little bit of 10 to 20 bar, but after that we can see there are any leakages. It has its own 100-liter tank. Then we can see there is a hydraulic power pack and there is a hydraulic operated pump. We'll monitor for some time. It's 590.6, 590.7. Once our we can on the timer. Now it's set for 120 seconds. Okay, we'll just on it. It will go for 120 seconds. After 120 seconds, it will give a light and sound indication. We'll monitor it for 120 seconds. I'll just open the door. The door is pneumatic operated. We can see there aren't any leakages in the joint. At bottom there is a perforated sheet cover. If anything drops, it will not get oily or water mixed. And this machine can be operated using oil and water. Both media can be done. You can see here is the hydraulic power pack. Here is the control panel. You can see after 2 minutes, there's a, as we can see, there's a 10 bar pressure drop in 2 minutes. We'll open the door. We'll drain the pressure. Just off the timer of the hydraulic and stop the machine.